Hi, everybody. Sure hope you had a great Monday as we get into our Tuesday. A little bit better coverage of showers and thunderstorms. That's going to be the story as we get into Wednesday. And then some refreshing air or slightly refreshing air. We'll start to set up shop as we get into our Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So a nice Saturday ahead of us. Other than that, in the meantime, because we'll have higher dew points in place, we'll have a bit of cloud coverage in place tonight. That's going to keep our low temperatures up just a bit. But our high temperatures on Tuesday will warm back into the mid-80s, so it is going to be a toasty one for sure, but we do have better coverage of rainfall. So we do have the chance for some scattered showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder as we get started on Tuesday as this upper level energy starts to swing its way on through, and that's going to be likely the case as we get into our Tuesday afternoon as well. So do keep the rain gear handy for your Tuesday. A little bit better chance and better coverage of rainfall Tuesday. And I think we'll do that again on into our Wednesday. And actually some decent amount of rain, probably overdoing the rainfall in the rainfall department. But the idea is there that we do have a lot more moisture to work with than what we saw on our Monday. 3-day forecast, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're back in the mid-80s, so just slightly above average. Our average highs for this time of year are in the low 80s. So again, it's going to be a warm one for sure. Better coverage of rainfall comes through Wednesday, and then those rain chances really start to fade away as we get into our Thursday, Friday, and Saturday time frame. And that's all associated with a cold front that's going to be slicing its way across the country. Low pressure system way up into the upper Midwest. And so the center of low pressure is too far away from us to really see much in the way of severe weather. So not looking at much in the way of severe weather, maybe just a couple of isolated strong thunderstorms on Wednesday. But by Thursday, Friday, I don't think we'll see a whole lot. And then back behind this front, we're going to see a little bit more comfortable air start to settle its way on in. And that's that drier air. Those are the lower dew points. And that's what's going to be with us as we get into the weekend, which therefore is not going to make those afternoons feel as warm, and it's going to make those low temperatures feel pretty comfortable and refreshing as well. We'll likely pick up about an inch of rain or less all the way through, say, Wednesday, Thursday time frame, and then Thursday through the upcoming weekend, likely not to see a whole lot more rain. So you can see how temperatures will come down a little bit back behind the cold front, but it is going to be warm and muggy out ahead of the cold front. Then those morning lows will be a little bit more refreshing Saturday and Sunday. We're getting into the season now where the humidity starts to pick up, and it makes it feel uncomfortable. So when we get these summertime cold fronts to come through and it drops the humidity levels, boy, I'll tell you what, just kind of really refreshing, especially if you work outside. And speaking of which, if you do work outside, make sure you track the storms, the rain, the daily forecast with the East Tennessee Weather app. It's 100% free. Just go to the Google Play Store and the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. I'm on Roku TV, Amazon Fire, as well as YouTube. And you can always catch your latest forecast online at easttnweather.com. See you back here for Wake Up with Witcher, starting at 7 o'clock in the morning, bright and early. I'll see you then.